What's up guys, my name is Rob Tyler and this is my new YouTube channel, or newish YouTube channel. Mostly focused on my Jeep and what I do with my Jeep. Content-wise, I'm hoping to do a bunch of reviews on things like external lighting for Jeeps, small mechanical repairs, very DIY style. I'm no mechanic by any means, so this is a novice trying to show other novices how it went for me and hopefully learning something along the way. Also going to be showing you the island where I live in Grand Cayman and hopefully taking you on a few of those adventures too. So to start it off today, I thought I would review a cube light that I had just recently set up, which is the Heise, I'm not really sure, the Heise cube light. It's called the Infinite Series RGB backlit cubes. I already have them installed in the Jeep, so I'm not going to show you the installation process in this video. It's more just like what I think of them so far, etc. I put them on the back bumper of my Jeep really because the reverse lights suck or non-existent, and I have this like awful driveway, which I'll show you. And getting up and down that driveway reversing at night is kind of a pain in the ass. Some technical specs, they have a 8th degree spot, so with 2 of them you get pretty good coverage on each side of the Jeep. They are IP67 rated, and they do also have a feature where you can change the color of them, go through the RGB spectrum, which is all right. It's not probably something I'll use, and you do actually have to buy a separate box to control that RGB, which you can do from your phone. It's pretty unique, it's pretty cool, I guess. I think it goes to your music and stuff like that if you're into that. If you were to kit out your entire vehicle though with these lights, that might be something to consider, being able to sort of control all of them in terms of brightness. I don't know if they're dimmable actually, we'll find out. I noted they fit on my back bumper real easy. You'll see the back bumper as well. It's not a stock bumper, but pretty much falls in line with the stock bumper in terms of height and how much clearance it has between the bumper and the tailgate door. And I don't have any problems clearing the light with that door, so it doesn't get in the way at all. I have a 33-inch tire in the back, no problems there when it's kind of closed up against the light. I did have to do some wiring on the light to make them reach, so from the battery all the way to the back tail, the cables that they came with were just too short. It's not nighttime right now, so I'll wait a little bit later to show you them at night and show you how much throw they have. It's pretty perfect for what I wanted it for, and I think you'll agree that they throw off a good amount of light. Mounting points on the light are pretty standard, universal mounts. They're really easy to hook up to multiple places on my Jeep or any vehicle really. So cost-wise, the lights are $200 US for the pair, which I think is pretty reasonable. The build quality is awesome, really solid structure. I didn't really have any problems installing them by myself, and like I said before, I'm not by any means an expert at this kind of thing. Pretty simple, straightforward. It comes with all the harnesses that you need, hooked up to the battery, straight back to the lights. And the switch is already wired into a relay that all comes kind of pre-wired together, so you just gotta find places to mount it all and you're good to go. I did have to kind of hide the wiring that connects to the separate adapter that I mentioned earlier for the lighting control, because right now I don't have that hooked up, but I didn't want to cut the wires just in case I do want to install that in the future. So it's up to you. Otherwise you can just clip them off and it's not gonna get in your way at all. All right, well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to bringing you more videos in the future. I've got a lot of products coming in for the Jeep. Front bumper coming in, back bumper with tire carrier, a new roof rack, new headlights hopefully, and some basic body armor that I'm gonna be putting off and around. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.